One of the most important features of the 3 available Trekker floor plans is the presence of a roof tent, which expands the number of sleeping arrangements in this line to 4. In terms of ground-level sleeping, all 3 floor plans place the bedroom in the rear, and we typically offer a modular bed that allows owners to utilize this space as desired during the day or while traveling. This is important if you want to take toys and other things with you, such as kayaks, fishing or climbing equipment, skis, or electric bikes. While the bedding is standing, some storage space is still available, but bulkier items will be difficult to fit. More storage space will be found in the upper cabinets, which look pretty good. As for the kitchen, the 2-burner stove and sink integrated into each unit work flush with the glass covers to extend the cooking area. Continuing our journey to Trekkers, what Swift ensures is that you have everything you need for a clean and comfortable life on the road. To do this, the galley features a wet tub with a lift-up sink to maximize space. Last but not least, along with the bathroom, future owners can find a large dining area. Swivel passenger and driver seats are part of the mix. Don't forget to also look at the storage options in the cabin, not to mention the other overhead compartments. What I find quite nice about Swift's approach is that they are equipping the Trekker lineup with some basic essential off-grid devices. This includes a 110W solar panel on the top, a 100Ah battery and monitor, and 65 liters of fresh water. To begin with, the price of this camper does not exceed $87,000, at the current exchange rate. This price will appeal to North Americans and Europeans alike.